Cassidy wrote her name for the first time ever. That's
Happy birthday!
It's too early for Christmas.
happy birthday to you.
19 years old, ladies.
12 o'clock.
Perfect time. 19 years old. Say happy birthday, dude.
Can I go back to the bed now?
Guys, we gotta sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Are you not singing? Jump on this. She's just looking at me like with her hand up.
Birthday.
Dear George, happy birthday to you.
That's one.
Tatum, you didn't even get in on that.
Okay, come on.
You didn't even get in on that, dude.
8 hours later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle George. Happy birthday to you.
How old did you say it was?
19th.
I heard 38.
38, yeah. Give Uncle George, it's his birthday, not your birthday. Goodness gracious.
Look what happened to the donuts.
Oh, look at what we got you, Uncle George. Some donuts.
I want that one.
Woo!
3 hours later.
Crying, come here.
He's coming, Mom.
Come here, Nene.
Let him come to you, let him climb up, let him climb up.
Oh, that's a big
Oh
boy.
my word.
And he's stinking.
Oh my beacon.
Goes to his mama.
You're eating the crib. Are you trying to eat your way out of jail? You're so big. You're so big. You're so big. Oh my goodness. God. Look at you. Oh,
Aye.
oh, Mama's here. Mama's here.
Is that yummy?
Paint. It's paint, Mom. It's paint. I wonder if they coat this in anything, because I'm sure we should probably get a rubber bumper for this.
Yeah, they make them. Because kids do this.
Yeah, hey, just some lacquer thinner, and, some paint thinner, and, get old paint chips.
It's like the chlorine water we're drinking. Did you see I added you to a group?
Uh-uh.
I added you to a group about our water system. North Texas. North Texas says they're doing everything they can.
Colorado, we're moving.
Hi, you need to go night-night. Look, he just stands on his bumper now.
I don't know. It was too big.
All right, babe, I think it's time we tell the kids.
What's up? What you guys want?
It's time that we tell our kids. Okay, guys.
You guys are going off to summer camp.
What is this a picture of? Did the twins get to try first?
Texas.
It's Texas. Okay, so this is Uncle George's shirt. So go ahead and give it to Uncle George.
It says Texas.
Why do you think Uncle George is wearing a Texas shirt?
Because he loves them. He's in Texas.
Because he's in Texas.
That's that.
And what else besides that? What if we said George was gonna move here for 3 months? Tatum's face. Do you want George to be your big brother for 3 months? George is gonna move to Texas for 3 months. He's gonna move to Texas for the summer. They're not impressed.
They're not exactly excited.
George, come here. We're excited. We're excited. Bring it in. Bring it in.
Bunch of haters.
George
Haters.
is coming to Texas.
Baca family
It's
right
soft. It's soft.
That is, dude. That is a nice shirt.
I knew he needed Texas
That's right.
in his life
That's it.
tonight. All right.
Oh, that's pretty tight. She got it right.
All right, guys, so yesterday we did a little bit of a fail. We went and got George a birthday card, but forgot to give it to him. So the kids are writing their names, and it's so cute because Cassidy wrote her name for the first time ever. That's not scribbling, it's actually her name. I'm gonna show you guys what she did. First we gotta, can't touch this, but this is how she spelled it. This is her name. She spelled it for the first time, that it wasn't like scribbles like this. And this is the C-A-S-S. And then when she got to the I, she didn't know if she was supposed to put it right here or right here. So I told her, hold on. He's practicing his name right there. And then, so here's the I-D-Y, and then Baca, B-A-C, and then she said she didn't have enough room, so she just put the A. She spelled her name for the first time. That wasn't scribbles. I'm so proud of you. You know what your daddy's gonna say? Camden's working on his. I wrote his name right here, and he's trying to copy it. And my little man is not feeling well today.
I'm hot, and guess what makes hot? Good.
What? What makes hot better, you mean? Ice cream. He wants ice cream. He's trying to talk me into ice cream. But which ear hurts? That ear. And so it's making his glands hurt, and so his throat hurts a little bit. And so he's going to relax. I took him to the doctor's. What? And they checked him for strep. No strep, just an ear infection. And he's so big, so strong.
And dance.
And this girl just wants to dance. Show me how you dance. Oh, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Sorry about the mess in here. Baby Lincoln's been playing with toys, and Uncle George doesn't know how to make his bed. Woo! Who's gonna teach Uncle George how to make his bed?
Not me, because when he's here
For the summer?
he's gonna be my big brother.
Lincoln's sitting in his stroller. Lincoln! He's like, I don't need a car seat anymore, Dad. I just need to be a big boy. I got too many people to follow after. All right.
It's easy to be your own person with this kind of chaos, huh? Big boy.
I forgot. What?
Oh, you alright? Be careful, King.
I can't believe, and I don't know if you can hear us because it is kind of windy. That's the only thing I don't like about this camera. I love everything else. It's so lightweight, everything, but if it's windy, the quality is no bueno. So if it's just kind of music, it's because the wording, you couldn't hear it. I just can't believe that little Lincoln is old enough or big enough to sit up like a little man. This was the twin stroller, and so I was trying to find the little cover that goes over, and I can't find it, so I'm gonna need to find that because I definitely want the cover over it to provide him some shade, because he is a little white boy, even though he's Hispanic. I'm not Hispanic. People have asked what race we are. Lewis is actually half Italian, half Hispanic, and I am obviously pure white. I am half German and half Irish. So our babies are a mix of all the things, which is awesome. I love how they're mixed. I mean, if they were all white, that would be great. If they weren't, that would, like they are, that's great. Color is beautiful to me. Lincoln, Lincoln. He's just watching his sister and brother play.
Cassidy, I'm so big, I'm making this whole place at squeak. Like, do you not hear all the squeaking that's going on?
He's all excited to come out here this summer.
I'm
It's so
excited
cute.
for it. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, look guys, we're upside down.
I thought you sent that out.
No, I need to. He,
See that still.
I know.
Still more.
He needs to learn how to hold the vlog camera. And I know you know that because you've said it in so many vlogs. Hold on, Nicole says I hold it wrong. Let me reposition this.
Yeah, but I like giving people a skewed perspective.
How's your ingrown hair?
Ow!
He's got an ingrown hair on his
Cheek.
cheek and
Alright,
his.
Cam, ready or not?
This is it's sensitive. The guys think that they can hold onto this thing for a minute. So I'm gonna time them. I got the stopwatch. Get ready. Ready for it? All right, I'm gonna start it and then they're gonna go. Ready, set, go. I'll let you guys know when a minute's up.
I'm already gonna fall, damn! Okay. Okay, that was my run.
Please tell me I'm at like 62 seconds.
30 seconds.
What?
Yeah. 35.
Maybe a show off.
No, I gotta.
That's my man! That's my man!
Do my arms. 60? 60?
50.
Oh my gosh!
53. A minute! You did it!
Ow! Look at my hands! Look what it did!
Such a beautiful, what's that face? That's what face Lincoln's making. Link! Link! Are you blowing bubbles? Are you watching Tay Tay? Is he funny? Do it! Oh, good job.